that just rolled you from bad boy to Bade Abbu, who is like completely bad boy. How does it feel, Deepak, to be playing yourself?
Remember that drama that I had done 30 years ago, Mere Paas Paas?
Yes.
Okay. And I remember उसके बीच में इतने ड्रामे किए, मेरे ख्याल में 8-10 तो मैंने किए ही होंगे, और सब में मैंने मजलूम दादा और मजलूम चचा और मजलूम बाप का रोल प्ले किया
जी।
और किसी ने कुछ कहा ही नहीं।
हाँ।
ठीक है, मेरे पास पास में मैंने एक हस्बैंड का कैरेक्टर प्ले किया था जो अपनी बीवी को कहता है कि तुम्हें अबॉर्शन करवाना पड़ेगा।
अब वो भी अब्यूसिव ही था मेरे ख्याल है।
अब्यूसिव था।
हाँ।
दो उसका फर्स्ट पार्ट बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, दे आर इन लव, और जब उसको बच्चा होता है तो मतलब जब वो प्रेग्नेंट होती है तो
जी।
वो पागल हो जाता है उसके
जी।
ऊपर, राइट? एंड देन शी गोज फॉर द मसल मैन जो कि मोहम्मद राना साहब
जी जी।
और उस ज़माने में बड़ा प्यार मिला, बड़ी मोहब्बत मिली, और लोगों ने उस रोल को बहुत अप्रिशिएट भी किया। इनफैक्ट इससे बड़ी अच्छी कहानी, और मेरे पास एक क्लिप भी है व्हिच आई कैन शेयर विथ यू लेटर, जिसपे जब मैं यूं ही कर रहा था तो कवि साहब मुझे मिले। You know, to meet कवि साहब is
Absolutely.
like a revered actor. और जो यूं ही में जो मंजूर साहब जो रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं दादा का, वो ओरिजिनली कवि साहब के साथ मैंने प्ले किया था। तो उसके बाद उनकी तबीयत खराब हो गई और ही पास्ड अवे। तो we were sitting one day and he just looked at me and said, तुम वही हो? तो I said, जी कौन? तो तुम वही हो जो नादिया जमील के साथ ड्रामे में आए थे?
हाँ, oh, he remembered.
He remembered.
Wow.
So Behrouz said कि ये वही है जो मेरे पास में आया,
जिसने अबॉर्शन कराई थी,
जिसने अबॉर्शन करवाया था। तो you know what he said? He said तुम्हारी एक्टिंग इतनी अच्छी थी उस ड्रामे में कि मेरा जी चाह रहा था कि मैं टीवी के अंदर से तुम्हें निकाल के मारूं।
Wow, that's a compliment.
And I immediately recorded it because Behrouz said record it right now.
You said this is my moment. Yeah.
चंद सीन जो है उनमें मेरा जी चाहा मैं स्क्रीन के अंदर जाके आपको निकाल कर बाहर ले और बहुत मारूंगा, यकीन कीजिए।
And the beauty of talking to him that day was he turned around and said to me, he said, I never talk to anyone on my sets. I like to sit alone and I like to sit in the other room. But जब से तुम आए हो, ठीक है ना, मैं बस चाहता हूँ कि मैं तुम्हारे साथ बैठे बातें करता रहूँ।
But you're a very interesting person, and you're also interesting to talk to because you have a lot to say.
I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
So मैं कहूँगा कि वो मेरे पास 30 साल पहले और 30 साल बाद बड़े अब्बू।
That is it. That is
and people are liking it. So I guess negative character जो होता है.
No, people are loving it. People are absolutely loving it, and it's such a powerful character, and you've played it so well. And I think that it's also well written. It's also well directed.
Yeah.
There's a lot of focus on Bade Abbu. He seems to be the pivot around which the कहानी is revolving, whether it's Amar's कहानी or Nashwa's कहानी or Behzad's कहानी, ऐसा है हो रहा है.
Well, if you really must know, जब मैं पहले दिन सेट पे गया था तो I think that Saqib Khan is a fantastic director.
Right.
Brilliant. Because after working with so many of them, हमारी नहीं बनी. Okay. तो जो रोल था वो जो उन्होंने मुझे पहला जो सीन करने को दिया था वो था जो डाइनिंग टेबल पे होता है जहाँ मैं नशवा को सीट यूं करके थोड़ी सी धमकी देता हूँ कि अगर तुम मेरा मान नहीं रखोगी तो मैं भी तुम पे भरोसा करना छोड़ दूंगा. एंड गर्मी थी बहुत कराची में. आई सेड ओह माय गॉड, आई मीन पहला सीन इसने तो मेरी माँ बहन ही कर दी भाई. अब वो 6 पेज का सीन और ये वो. एंड फॉर 2 days they don't call me on the set.
They didn't?
No.
Okay.
So I said मैं तो गया. I said मुझे
I've been fired.
I've been fired.
Yeah.
And 2 days later, he saw the rushes and he called me back and he said, I didn't believe in you, but oh my God, And I think he has been I would say, the best teacher so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant.
He's done a good job, and like I said, the drama is doing really well. People are taking it seriously. The character is great. So we'll come back to that. But this 30-year journey of fashion and बीच में कहीं drama करना, acting करना, of course they're both creative fields.
Yeah.
But one, you're directing a design, and the other you're being directed. So is it something you wanted to do, or you just had time on your hands and you were like, अच्छा ये भी कर लेते हैं? Because you've always been involved in music videos, but always from a design perspective, point of view. यहाँ तो अदाकारी करनी है और मतलब है कि
आई थिंक मैं समझता हूँ कि अगर मैं डिज़ाइनर ना होता तो मैं अदाकार होता.
Right.
और आई लाइक द मैंने जब शुरू किया था आई वाज ओनली 19 years old. So I was very young. अभी भी जब लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि तुम कितने सालों के हो तो हैरान हो जाते हैं बिकॉज माई जर्नी इज सो लॉन्ग.
Yeah.
I like taking orders from someone else.
You do?
It's kind of nice.
Okay. To take a
sit
back
there
seat and sort of.
back seat and just कि जी चाय ला दें, अच्छा कपड़े तैयार कर दो, नाड़ा नहीं डाला नाड़ा डाल दो, अच्छा सर ये पहनना है, अच्छा अंगूठियां ला दो, जी सर. It's kind of nice.
Right.
Because I never worked for anyone, so I really don't know how that experience would have been. The only stint I ever did in my life was Orient when I was doing lawn with them.
Yeah.
So they would just give me a brief and I would just get it done.
Yeah.
So it's nice to take orders. It feels kind of interesting.
And you feel that there's no weight on your shoulders or no responsibility क्योंकि ठीक है सपोर्टिंग रोल है तो मेरे कंधों पे तो नहीं ड्रामा चलना या नहीं चलना.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं. Okay, so I've got two aspects to it. I only want to do 1 or 2 dramas in a year.
Okay.
I always finish all the campaigns early. So I know that there's no wait as far as the factory is concerned.
Right.
Then my appointments are all juggled between the drama timings and the clients. Okay. So for example, if I have to shoot the collection for Eid, I
Yeah.
will shoot it next week.
Okay.
And finish it off. And as the 6 and 8 pieces will keep on coming, I'll keep on shooting because I've already given dates for a new drama which I want to do.
Okay.
And
You're already signed your next
I've already
drama?
signed it, but I
oh
can't
my
talk about it. I
God.
can't talk about it.
Okay.
Well, God's been very kind. I've been offered about 6 plays so far.
Okay.
And I've said because of the dates and
Right.
stuff, I couldn't say dates
Right.
just to January.
Right.
So February onwards, yeah, I've committed to one more play.
Is there any like competitiveness between the 3 designers who have stepped into acting? There's you, there's HSY, Sheru, and there's YBQ. The 3 of you have come from
I didn't
fashion.
know
to-
YBQ even acted. Does he?
Yeah.
Oh,
He's
he
done.
does?
He does.
No, I think Sheru started way after me. So I would say
Yeah.
that I was the daddy who took the lead first.
Right. Certainly after.
30 years ago.
Yeah.
And I don't know whether he's continued acting or not. I have no idea.
He isn't doing anything these days.
Okay.
But yeah.
No, not at all. But वैसे भी हम हमेशा क्या कहते हैं उसको ट्रेंड सेटर ही रहें तो हो सकता है.
Of course. Do you carry that aura on set as
No,
well?
not at all. Not at all. In fact, I'm extremely charming. I'm helpful. I think
Right.
I'm funny. I bring a lot of food for everybody to eat.
Oh, you are very hospitable. That too I
We
can
cut
say.
a lot of cakes.
हाँ.
Okay. And जितने भी दिवाली केक्स आए हुए थे वो भी वहीं चले गए. जितने भी ईद के केक्स आए हुए जितने
Nice.
केक्स आए हुए थे वो
Nice.
सारे चले गए.
Nice.
And that's about it. I like harmony.
Yeah.
I like a friendly set. Because मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा ताल्लुक नहीं है ड्रामा वालों से या फिल्म वालों से.
Right. Music वालों से है, of course.
Music वालों
but
से है.
हाँ.
तो मैं तो लोगों को जानता भी नहीं हूँ जब मैं सेट पे जाता हूँ.
Do you like the merger of television and fashion that has happened over the last 10 years, let's say?
I think it was bound to happen
Yeah.
because your fashion weeks are gone. You don't have so many films coming out. So the small screen stars have become the big stars.
Yeah.
And they have now become the brand, the face of many brands.
Right.
And it was only natural. So the same way when we look at even Lux,
Yeah.
if you remember 30 years ago when we started out with Lux, there was more focus on the film
Film star.
or the film star.
Yeah.
If there were no film stars,
They ran out of film stars.
they ran out of film stars, and models became the
They
film
didn't
stars.
run out of colors, but they ran out of film stars. Yeah.
Then the models became the film